Number 1 is this do-it-yourself printable Valentine's Day gift bag shaped like a candy machine. It's a super fun and easy project using a PDF file. All you do is open the file, select print, and make sure you adjust the settings to fit and best quality. And then I also used white cardstock so it was sturdier. Once I printed, I cut out the image. For the more detailed areas like the circle where the candy goes, I used a craft knife and this thick cutting mat that I got from the Dollar Tree. First, a few tips for cutting with the craft knife that I did was just to make sure to use short strokes, apply firm pressure, and take your time for clean edges. That's why I liked this cutting mat from the Dollar Tree, because with the firm pressure, I knew it wasn't going through the mat. Then after cutting, you fold along the dashed lines and then you cut out the solid lines. For the candy dispenser, I used a Ziploc bag and I trimmed it to size and taped it behind the cardstock. Fold everything along the score lines, secure the tab at the back to close it, and it's absolutely adorable. But I think this turned out so cute. It's easy and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Number 2 is this do-it-yourself Valentine's Day printable scrunchie holder. This was also a PDF file. All you do is open the file, select print, make sure you adjust the settings to fit and best quality. And I also used white cardstock to make it sturdier. Once I printed, I cut the image, folded along the dashed lines. I used double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree, and I placed one little piece on the top box above the first dashed lines. The big circle is the back of the head, so you'll want to place the scrunchie around the head and then peel the backing off the double-sided tape and attach the top folded box to the back of the head. I thought this was so cute and adorable, and you can use any color scrunchie. Isn't that just so adorable? And it's also a nice and thoughtful gift. Instead of just doing candy, you actually get a little scrunchie. Number 3 is this do-it-yourself Best Mom Ever printable lip balm purse gift bag, because we can't forget our moms. This is also a PDF file. All you do is open the file, select print, make sure you adjust the settings to fit and best quality. And of course I used white cardstock for this as well to make it sturdier. Once I printed, I cut out the image and I folded along the dashed lines. I used the craft knife to cut out the solid lines, or to cut on the solid lines. What I love about this project is you don't have to measure anything, just print and cut, and the Burt's Bees or chapstick fit perfectly inside it. And you just insert the tab on the purse to close it, and it's another easy Valentine. Number 4 is this do-it-yourself Valentine's Day paper purse, which is an SVG file, and I did it in Cricut Design Space. All you do is upload the image, ungroup the project, click on the cut lines and change it to score lines, and then just make sure to attach the score lines to the cardstock and hit attached. Once I cut everything out, I folded on the score lines. I used either double-sided tape or barely art glue and put it together. This was another adorable project. You can add tissue paper and insert little Valentine's candy, chocolates, or a gift card. I thought this was so adorable. I also did the same thing for number 5, which is another do-it-yourself Valentine's Day paper purse. And we did the exact same thing as far as ungrouping, changing the score lines. And I think that all of these projects turned out adorable. If you want to try these projects with me, I will leave the link in the descriptions below. And I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. That'll let me know that you liked this content. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.